following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. The Princeton Police Department is searching for Cameron Slaughter, black, female, 14 years old, 5'7" inches, 140 pounds.
Come on.
Last seen wearing a gray sweatshirt, gray sweatpants with white stripe and black Husk shoes. Police are searching for Ricardo III, date of birth September 8, 1988, black male, 6 feet 0 inches, 203 pounds, black hair, and brown eyes. Last seen wearing unknown clothing with tattoos in connection with this abduction. The suspect is driving a black 2014 Mercedes E35 with Texas license plate R-North-South 2973. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Princeton Police Department at 972-736-3901. News media point of contact is Princeton Police Department at 972-736-3901. This is the NOAA Weather Radio KHP 42 in Lake Charles, the voice of the National Weather Service. These are the 9 p.m. observations.
I will try to get y'all's test tomorrow. Bye.